What is up? So we're darn close for some of this. So here's what we've got. We've got this basin area that we've got one stream that's coming that way, another one that's coming here, meanders through up that big drop, back around here behind the rocks you can't see. There's two little ripple falls in there. That drops into here. Part goes this way, part comes around into this little hidden falls that drops down and then drops here. That continues up, two more small falls up into a basin area that'll take you to. So we've got our little falls in here that comes around in this small little drop that turns. This is a pooling area that we should have about 6 or 8 inches of water in. That then we'll have that big falls drop into here, and right in the center there we'll have an urn, large one, aqua blocks, boulders, and everything else we need. So tomorrow is supposed to be a less day, so there's a lot that has to get done. Our hopes we should get it all done. Got a lot done today, but this one is just logistics of space. There's never anywhere to put a machine that it's not in front of holding something else up. So we wanted to set this area, but we couldn't do it because someone had to get in there and seam a liner, because we took a area with a smaller urn and they wanted to go much bigger, which then made a logistical problem of seaming a liner literally the day after we cut to the size and we're all set to get the material out. So here's where we're at. It's looking good. Yeah, I'm late. It's not morning. It's 11 o'clock. So a little behind. We've given a good morning. Ricardo says I'm a little behind. I'm in trouble. We're working on getting this wrapped up. Lower area is basically complete. We've got little edges. I've got to do some treatment and stuff and mossing. We're up in the top area. They're getting the aqua blocks prepped because we've got that large urn back there that's going in. So Matt's over there cleaning up. He's getting that place set so that it's raked out so the gravel can go in. Lights are in. Lights are active and live. We've actually got Big John with us. He's here to help to make sure we try and get this done, because my fingers crossed we can, because I have to go and try and work on selling a nice project tomorrow. So gonna work on what we have to, and my hopes is in the next hour we've got this done. That area is done. They're prepping the urn. I got Dan over here doing some edge treatment. Another quick sneak peek so you can see what's going on. It'll be all finished in the morning when the urn goes in, but this is without the urn. We've got all these streams, waterfalls going through this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different streams that are throughout this system. We've got a couple of spots we've got water dripping through, but we'll get that button up in the morning. So Thursday, it's actually beautiful out. It is really crazy. After so many days with crappy weather, extreme heat, we finally got into nice weather. We are back to finish it up. The urn has to go in. It's there, it's prepped, it's plumbed, set up. They're gonna get that done in first thing. We have a couple spots where we've got to bib in our edges because we've got one giant 40-foot liner through this whole thing, and it's finding nooks and crannies between the rocks. Really need to shave. Didn't do it this morning. So, gonna get these gravel pulled out of the way, and we're gonna foam these back ends. I gotta do some mossing. We got plants over there. We're gonna get this done in the next couple hours, and gravel mulch, and we'll be on and wrapping for the next one. So guys should be here in a couple of minutes, but we are prepped and ready to go. All right, so let's take a look at this. I am standing on top of a 4.5-foot wall, looking out across this feature that we built, and we have got this thing up and running, and look at that urn up there. That is a large urn up in a pooling area, and we've got all these spaces down here. Let me know what you think. This is one of our more fun ones we've done. This is also one of the harder ones because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 waterfalls in this. We have 10 drops in this feature. Plus one coming out of spillway up there into that pooling area. This has a 12 PN pump in here. We've got 15 large aqua blocks. We've got an additional 6 aqua blocks up there. We also have an additional huge pooling up there that anyone could sit in. I am going to put this at 15 tons of boulders, way more than we originally planned, but this change in grade up to that point there is about 7.5 feet. And then we've got that area up there, and then we've got a 5-foot urn sitting on top of it. So, I hope you liked what you saw. If you want to have something, give us a call. We can reach out and talk with you about it. It doesn't have to be something massive like this, but hey, if you want to have something that you always love, why not call us? We could create this. What's up, everyone? So here's what we completed. We've got a large urn, and we've got this hillside that created a stream that winds back and forth all the way down to a pooling area